Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Belinda and today I'm going to be doing a quick speed colouring and flip through of this beautiful book. Let's pop in and have a look. Hi guys and welcome back. I'm doing a flip through and speed colouring today from this new book Saga, Fire and Water by Chinthaka Herath and Vivid Publishers. I hope I have said that right. I do apologise if I haven't. This is a PDF version of it and I've just popped a quick video together for you so you can see the flip through. I've really enjoyed doing the flip through of this one and I love the images in this one. There's some absolutely beautiful images, dragons, warriors, all sorts of beautiful images, so I hope that you enjoy the flip through as well. For the speed colouring at the end, I have used watercolour paper, the Caran extra large cold press paper, and also the Caran Supercolour pencils, and a little bit of white gouache there as well. I do have a full video of the image that I've done as a speed colouring, and also there will be colour lists and things like that available to patrons, so if you want to check that out, I've popped all the links in the description below. So this book's available as a hard copy, also as a PDF. I'll pop all of those links in the description as well. So guys, I'm going to leave you to watch through the flip through. At the end of the flip through there is a little bit of a mural. It was really hard to show you that, but there is a PDF mural included in the PDF version of the book. So the mural is basically all of the images popped side by side together in one sort of, I guess, long mural type thing, which is absolutely beautiful. So I've put that in there, so it's a little bit jerky because it was really hard to sort of show you that in the video sort of format, so I hope you enjoy that as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Make sure that you leave a comment in the description below and let me know which image that you like the best out of the book as well. Also, pop over to Facebook and check out my Facebook group. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook of course, and I hope you enjoy it guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.